Hi, this is Dude Crazy, and I'll be doing a review on the Crossman shotgun. It's a Walmart cheap shotgun, $23. It's actually very good. It's about $350, I think it said on the box, 350 FPS. It's not very accurate with 20 gram or 12 gram, but with 25 gram it is very accurate. The clip holds about 18 bullets, BBs. If I can get this. I would highly suggest that if you got it, get a speed loader with it. And it's very good for a close range battle. And it's pump action. It's not very hard to pump. It's pretty accurate for close range. Stings a little bit. So I'm gonna do some target practicing, and if you hold on, I'll go get the targets in a minute. I'll be shooting at a 2 Diet Coke can. So, as you can see, it's kind of accurate. Of course, this is a lot smaller target than you'd be shooting at. It doesn't quite puncture a hole through it. Now another thing I like about it is it's got rails on either side, and then on top, of course, we've got a rail you can mount like a red dot sight or something. You can put like maybe a laser or a flashlight or things of that nature there. In my opinion, if you've ever seen Black Ops, it looks a lot like the stakeout. Almost exactly like the stakeout. You cannot take the orange tip off of it though. That's the only one of the downsides to it. You actually can take a part off of it. Hold on, let me show you how to do this. You unscrew this right here, up top here. You can actually, there's a weight in it, so you can actually end up unscrewing this, taking the spring out, and there's a weight in there. And then you can actually completely pull off this bar, and then there's the thing. This is probably used for cleaning purposes. And then you can see where the mechanism is right here. The bar pushes it back. And you can actually shoot with it like this. Wouldn't recommend it, but you can. If you're one of those people who likes to try crazy things like that. And so it won't really stay down unless you have everything back in it. I'm going to put it back together here. And you can just, yeah, so, well, all around, in my opinion, 1 to 10, 10 being the greatest, 1 being the worst, I would probably give it being where I got it from and how much I got it for, I would probably give it a 7 on performance. And so, yeah, well, Crossman, shotgun.